Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel Educational Arena. Today I am going to represent WBCS Mains and Prelims Question Answer Part 2. If you want to see the previous video, please check the description box. Let's start. Our first question. Who considered the Harappan crafts technically the peer of the rest among products of the Bronze Age? Option A. Garden Child, B. Sirin Ratnagar, C. R.S. Brist and D. Asco Parpola. Here the answer is Sirin Ratnagar. Number 2. Which of the following statement is not correct? The Rigveda consists of 1028 humans. The Rigveda is divided into 10 books of unique size. Option C. The Rigveda is a monolithic text. And option D. The Rigveda is not a monolithic text and consists of several literary layers. Here the answer is the Rigveda is a monolithic text. Next question. Name the chief of the Rigvedic Bharat tribe who fought against a confederacy of 10 tribals. Option A. Sudas, B. Divyadasha, C. Atri, D. Grisamata. Here the answer is Sudas. Next question. Which of the following areas were viewed by the later Vedic authors as impure and far away from the heartland of the Vedic culture? Option A. Anga, B. Magad, C. Vanga and D. All of above. Here the answer is Vanga. Next question. Which Rigved river is known as a Ravi and also as a Iravati? Option A. Vitasta, B. Ashikani, C. Purushani and D. Satadru. Here the answer is Purushani. Next question. The earliest reference to the divisions of society into 4 strata occurs in which of the following texts? Option A. The Purush Sukta of the Rig Veda Samhita, B. Yajurveda Samhita, C. Kathapuneshit and D. Manusmriti. Here the answer is the Purusha Sukta of the Rig Veda Samhita. Who tell us that India was the 20th and the most prosperous satrapy of the Persian Empire? Option A. Herodotus, B. Megasthenes, C. Phayyan and D. Ijing. Here the answer is Herodotus. The history of ancient Indian trade rightly beings from the dash period. Option A. Harappa, B. Later Vedic, C. Maurya and D. Kushan. Here the answer is the Harappan. The next question. Which civilization was undoubtedly the largest in extent among the Bronze Age civilization? The Harappan civilization, Egyptian civilizations, Mesopotamian civilizations and Roman civilizations. Here the answer is the Harappan civilizations. The question number 27. Which archaeologist has recently considered the identifications of impressive brick-built structure at Harappa as a granary? Option A. R.E.M. Wheeler, B. Bridge Alchin, C. Raymond Alchin and option D. J.M. Kenyer. Here the answer is J.M. Kenyer. Question number 28. The ruins of Harappa was first noticed by option A. M. S. Watts, B. M. Wheeler, C. B. B. Lal and D. Charles Mason. Charles Mason is the correct answer. Question number 29. Which of the following period was considered by Gordon Childe was the period of revolutions? Option A. Paleolithic, B. Mesolithic, C. Neolithic and D. Harappan. Neolithic is the correct answer. Question number 30. Among the Bronze Age civilizations, which one was undoubtedly the largest in extent? Option A. Egyptian, B. Mesopotamian, C. Harappan and D. Mehergar. Here the answer is the Harappa. Next question. The urban centers of Harappa civilizations faded out around 2200 BC. 2100 to 2000s BC, option C 2000s to 1900 BC, and option D 1800 to 1715 BC. Here the answer is 1800 to 1750 BC. The most prominent deity in the Rigveda was Agni, Indra, Vishnu, Shiva. Here the correct answer is Indra. The next question. The most celebrated river in Rigveda was Ganga, Saraswati, Sindhu and Yamuna. Here the answer is Saraswati. The next question. In the long history of domestications of animals, according to Wink, which was the earliest animal to be domesticated? Option A goat, B pig, C horse, and option D is dog. Here the right answer is goat. The next question. Microlithics are typical of Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age, Neolithic age and Chalcolithic age. Here the answer is the Mesolithic age. The next question is the earliest evidence of settled agriculture in the subcontinent comes from Mehergarh, Amri, Kalibangan and Dholavira. Here the answer is the Mehergarh. Our next question. Which of the following is considered to be the earliest Indian text on music? Krishna Yajurved, Atharva Ved, Samved and Purusha Sukta. Here the answer is Samved. The next question. The earliest known stone tools in the Indian subcontinent have been discovered from Potwar Plateau in Pakistan, Hangshi Valley, Karnataka, Didwana, Rajasthan and Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh. Here the answer is the Hangshi Valley. The next question. The oldest descriptive script of the Indian subcontinent is Brahmi, Harappa, Prakita and Devanagari. Here the correct answer is Brahmi. There are 4 Vedas and each Vedas has dash parts. Option A 2, B 3, C 4 and option D 6. Here the correct answer is option C 4. Next, official stamping of weights and measures and their periodical inscriptions are prescribed by Manu, Narada, Brihaspati and Parasara. Here the right answer is the Manu. Which of the following Rigvedic gods is said to be the upholder of the Rita and cosmic order? Option A Indra, B Agni, C Varun and D Som. Here the answer is Varun. Next question. Which one of the following tribal assemblies is normally involved in the elections of the tribal chief? Option A Samiti, B Shava, C Gora and D Vidata. Here the correct answer is Samiti. House burials are reported from option A Gufral in Kashmir, B Galigal in the northeast, option C Ulari in Almora and option D Balathal in Rajasthan. Here the right answer is Ulari in Almora. The next question. Which of the following were the main item of export the Indus people? Option A gold and silver, B cotton and goods, C terra rosa and D sails and option E pottery. Here the right answer is option B, C and E. 47. Who among the following archaeologists has been claiming that he was successfully deciphered the Indus script, though others have not accepted the claim? Option A Mim Wheeler, B Gordon Child, C K M Srivastav, D S R Rao. Here the right answer is S R Rao. The next question. According to the latest exhibitions, Manda is the dash side of the Indus civilizations. Option A northernmost, B southernmost, C easternmost and option D westernmost. Here the right answer is the northernmost. The next question. Which one of the following types of Harappa poetry is said to be the earliest example of its kind in the world? Option A polychrome, B galaxed, C perforated and C knobot. So here the right answer is the glazed. The Harappan bricks were mainly assembled with the help of a saw-like instrument. B. Made in an open mold. C. Handmade. And option D. Carved with the help of the castle. Here the answer is made in an open mold. Question number 51. Where do we found the three phrases wise the Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic cultures in sequence? Option A Velan Valley, B Krishna Valley, C Godavari Valley and option D Kashmir Valley. The right answer is Velan Valley. Next question. Which of the following is not a principal tools of the early Stone Age? A. Scraper, B. Hand axe, C. Cleaver and D. Chopper. Here the right answer is the scraper. Question number 53. Which of the following is the main reason for the development of towns in the Harappan period? Option A. Development of science and technology. B. Development of arts and crafts. C. Growth of trade and commerce. And D. Increases in agrarian surplus. Here the right answer is increasing in agrarian surplus.
যদি আপনাদের এই ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই লাইক, কমেন্ট অ্যান্ড শেয়ার করবেন এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে একদম ভুলবেন না।